Hi, my name is Mayerly Barahona, and together with my co-workers, Fernando Calderon and John Andre Rincon, we will present to you a complementary activity to the correspondent to economic globalization. According to this aspect, considering and advantages and disadvantages of globalization, and together with is the incidence in the country on foreign investments, we want to imply in the country benefit, perhaps, and harm it. Um, through this conceptual map, we will make a small analysis of globalization and foreign investment, and of this through social economy. Globalization is based of the continued growth of global interconnection and the economic, political, social, and technology levels. Wood advocates an international monetary fund and the World Bank. Um, is it in the advantage and disadvantage in economic, cultural, and political aspects? We were offered market opening economically, and it encourages the increasing privatization of economic sectors. As of cultural, it represents a flourishing of cultures that promote the world of customs. On the political side, it promotes the emergence of internationalism that fosters the generation of democracy. And among disadvantages, with why have economic, cultural, and political aspects. In economic terms, it's led decline of people and states, and together with working conditions under the net. In the cultural aspect, there could create loss in integración and cultures and acquisition of artisanal elements will be affected. And political decline, the decline of national als led to foreign investment, which basically consisted of the capital contribution of a company of another nationality that is established in the country or established in it.